Nice. Hey, I gotta do with the other bike. It's recording.
Damn it!
Okay. Don't touch anything except record it. Okay?
Is it recording?
Yes, it's still. Don't.
Alright, let's go.
See that flashing red button saying record?
Yeah?
That means it's recording.
Alright. 1 minute, 28 seconds we got. Hurry up, we're almost out of time. We got 1 minute left. Here's Anthony. It's coming. Here it is. About to fail. And, wow, I'm surprised you didn't fail. 1 minute, 2 seconds. 59 seconds.
Peace. Stop.
Hey guys. See ya.